Hey there foodies, welcome to Susanna's Kitchen, the ultimate destination for mouth-watering recipes. I am Suzanne and I am thrilled to be your guide on this delicious journey. So, my YouTube family, if you are ready to whip up some culinary magic, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on a delectable dish. So today we are diving into the world of flavors with a mouth-watering recipe for pumpkin delight. Let's get cooking. So let us start with cutting the giant pumpkin, which is 3 years old. Scoop out the seeds and stringy pulp from each half of the pumpkin. You can save the seeds for roasting if you like. Now that your pumpkin halves are cleaned out, it's time to cut them into smaller sections. Make manageable slices that will be easier to work with during cooking. Now get a sharp knife, but be careful while removing the tough skin from the pumpkin sections. Depending on your recipe, you can dice or cube the pumpkin sections into the desired size. Now it is time to fry them. Heat some oil in a deep pan. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the pumpkin pieces one by one. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the pumpkin pieces on medium to high heat and flip them occasionally to ensure even frying. Once they are golden and crispy, remove the pumpkin pieces from the oil and do the same with the other batch. Our next step is extracting a color from cock's-crumb flour, and in Kashmiri we call it mawal. Heat the pot with water and flour and let the mixture simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now as you can see, the color starts to leach out into the water. It is done now. As you can see the color. Now carefully pour the flour extract through a strainer into a bowl. This will separate the liquid from the flower petals and seeds. Now our next step. Start by heating 3 tablespoons of oil in a deep pan over medium heat. I add 1 cup of leek to the pan and saute for a minute until fragrant. Now add the color which we have already extracted from cock's-crumb flour. Add some saffron. Now add 1 cup of sugar to the pan. Adjust the amount of sugar according to your taste preference. Pour 1 glass of water, 2 tablespoons of honey, when it starts to boil, add pumpkin. Cover the pan with a lid and let the pumpkin cook on medium to low heat until it becomes soft and tender. So our authentic Kashmiri style sweet pumpkin recipe is ready to be served. The blend of spices, sweetness and rich flavor of pumpkin make this dish truly special. Now turn off the heat and let it cool down. Now serve the dish cold as a delightful dessert or side dish, capturing the essence of Kashmiri cuisine. Garnish the pumpkin with coconut powder and pumpkin seeds. There you have it, a delightful pumpkin recipe that is bursting with flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Susan's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!